Hello, it is 6:20 in the morning and we're out here at Garibaldi. I'm doing my hike with my mom. She looks like she's already gotten a head start, but we're gonna try to summit it today. Hopefully my mom can make it out alive. So, how do you feel about the hike? Wait.
Hello.
Wait, how do you feel about the hike? Right?
It's better with this stick. Battery.
Yeah, it's 3 kilometers.
3 kilometers.
So it's been 1 hour since the hike. How do you feel?
I still feel good.
Still feel
An hour?
good? Yeah, only an hour. All right. 4 kilometers. How do you feel?
4 kilometers. I did it.
Okay. And so we went to the morgue to then find out
Wow.
just for the
You're at 5 now. How do you feel?
How many more to go?
9.
9 more to go.
Okay. We made it at 6 kilometers. How do you feel, Ma?
6 kilometers.
Yeah, we made it. All right, we're gonna use the washroom really quick and we'll keep going.
Palaka.
It's a frog.
Palaka, palaka. Kokak.
Too scared. No, that one we don't go up.
That's so nice.
So we're at Taylor Campground over here. And you got the bear. That's for the bears to store your food.
Oh, that's the bear.
To store your food away from the bear.
Oh.
Rest stop. How is it? Blueberry?
Blueberries.
Is it good?
Sour. At the end.
The blueberry's okay? It's still sour?
Sour in the beginning. Try it.
I'm okay. It looks like you like it. Pretty big. That's a good size.
Oh, the beautiful snow cap.
So nice.
So nice. God's landscaping is
Wow.
amazing.
Wow. Look at that.
I think I might need my hat.
How are you feeling?
Tiring. Barely go up. You mean we're going up there?
Yeah,
My dear, can we not go?
we have to go. We're already
Go
close.
down.
We're already close.
I should have bring that lighter jacket. Why did I not? It's more than a diamond head.
More than Diamond Head?
More than.
We are, what, 1 more hour into the top? We gotta get up there and we'll be at the top. Almost there. How is it? Okay? You tired?
Tired,
Are
hard
you?
on the leg, but I've got to finish it.
Yeah,
I have to finish.
you're almost
Can
there.
I not? Can I not finish?
You're right there. Almost done.
All right. Everybody pass by us.
Yeah.
We're the last.
Not the last, but I think we're one of the slower ones. But That's okay. Well, we're not in a rush anyway. As long as we make it to the top, right?
Watch out. You stop. This is magnificent. Magnificent view. Wow.
Wow.
How beautiful God's landscape are. That electric,
Maybe.
right? The white dried pear tree. I think it's a pear tree.
I'm not sure.
The
But
tin.
it could be fire.
Oh, it can be. Daddy should see it. Ganda. There's a buhangin. There's a slope. There's a rocks,
Yeah.
gravel, and on my side it's wow, a pink rainbow connection. Can you take picture of me?
Yeah, go.
The pink color.
It's kind of hard to see though. Go.
Hard to see. Oh na, dito na.
Yeah. Okay, Ma. How do you feel? Last part before we go up. What do you think?
I'm good in here.
You're good?
You can go up.
All right, it's the last bit. We're gonna go up there.
Ah, are you sure?
Yes.
You think I can make it?
Yes.
Can I not stay here?
We can make it.
All right. Another crunch. Leg crunch.
All right, it's time for the final ascent. Gotta get up there. I think I'm doing okay. It's like, actually I don't even know what time it is, but
I barely made it here.
nice couch.
I'm sitting on the couch. Cooler.
Look at that.
Cooler is good.
Almost there. Almost to the top. It's right there. Just at the edge of this hill. Almost there. Last bit. Go on. Come on, keep going. Alright. Made it.
I finally made it. This is the ever hardest hike I've ever done. Thank God. Did it. Panorama Ridge.
I just
Woohoo!
hide my bags and then I was like, you know what? If we run out of water at the top, it's gonna screw everybody. I'm just gonna
Yeah, he was. He literally 10 minutes in it. I'm not gonna get
Alright, on the way down now.
on the way down the hill.
All the way
Get ready
down.
to go down.
Yep, going down now. Back down still.
Just a little bit, and then we go down.
Okay. Alright, Ma, we're halfway down. How do you feel?
Sore, very sore
My poor
on my
mom.
feet.
Fun times. I sprained my ankle. So I've been walking down the last like 4K with a sprained ankle. Fun times.
Barely made it.
Almost there.
Barely made it to the
Oh,
top.
almost there.
Barely made it to the bottom. But I did it.
All right,
Oh
last
my.
step. And
Hello,
done.
babe.
Congrats. You survived. Barely, barely survived.